How to loop through keys and values of a dictionary. Suppose you're writing a code in which you have to loop through the keys and values of the dictionary. You can use a simple for loop to do that. But before that, let's see how to get just the keys and the values from the dictionary. So suppose I have this dictionary, my dictionary, and I have the keys name, age, and city, and the values Jane, 34, and New York. So now I want to extract just the keys. So I write my dictionary dot keys. So dot keys gives a list of all the keys in the dictionary. So it will write dictionary under keys underscore keys, and then it will give all the keys. The next thing that we want to see is how to get just the values. So we write similarly my dictionary dot values and round brackets, and we will get just the values. So using this we can write the for loop, and now we'll iterate for key in my dict under my dictionary dot keys, and then I'll print each key and the value of that key. So you can see we have iterated through the keys. Now similarly I can do this the same for the values. So in that case I have a for loop, and I have the same for value in my dictionary dot values, and then I print all the values within the dictionary. So I write print value, and you'll see all the values are printed. So this is how we iterate through the keys and the values of the dictionary.